everyone. Welcome to the French class. Today it's the sixth lesson. Let's learn the days of the week. Les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine. Jour, days. La semaine is the week. Les jours de la semaine. Let's get started. Lundi. Monday. Lundi. Lundi. Mardi. Tuesday. Mardi. Mardi. Mercredi. Wednesday. Mercredi. Mercredi. Jeudi. Thursday. Jeudi. Jeudi. Vendredi. Friday. Vendredi. Vendredi. Samedi. Saturday. Samedi. Samedi. Dimanche. Sunday. Dimanche. Dimanche. Now look at the words one by one, pronounce and tell me the meaning on your own. First one. What is it? Very good. Lundi. Mardi. Mercredi. Jeudi. Vendredi. Samedi. Dimanche. Very good. Now keep up practicing and see you soon with the next lesson. Subscribe my channel and keep fingers crossed. A bientôt.